Hello, I've just finished project one. I was about to design a Wikipedia-like online encyclopedia. I'm going to show you the different features. First of all, entry page. The URL bar when we add /wiki slash any entry name, let's say HTML, you are directly redirected to that entry page. And we can notice that it doesn't matter if the entry name is lowercase or not, or if there is a blank space. Yes. And if the entry name does not exist, we've got an error message. Sorry, the requested page is not found. So now the second feature, index page. Here, once click on any, you can click on any this entry name, and we are directly redirected to that entry page. Now let's talk about the search feature. Let's say I want to search Apple. You know that Apple exists. So it got that entry. And if the query does not match the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user is instead taken to a search results that display a list of all encyclopedia entries. Yeah, that have the query as substring. Let's say, oh, we've got Django laptop and Python. Or let's say E or I. Yes, there you go. And if the query doesn't match, we've got this error message. So now let's say we want to create a new page. New page. Let's say talk about Lenovo. Let's say Lenovo. Lenovo is made in China. Say that. And in the content field, we should write, so we can use Markdown. Save, and there you go. Lenovo is made in China. And if we create a new page and the entry name already exists, we got an error message. Sorry, this entry already exists. Please try to change the title and try again. So now we want to edit an existing entry. Let's say Apple. I want to edit Apple. There you go. You notice that the text area is pre-populated with the existing markdown. Let's say I don't want to use iPhone. Say, let's say this. There you go. We are directly redirected on to the save button. Yes. Okay, now let's try this random page feature. Once click on it, we are redirected to an existing encyclopedia entry. Yes. And we can notice that we can use markdown content, markdown, and yes, the conversion worked properly.